Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and I would like to thank you for the overwhelming response to my channel. I am very grateful to all of you, those who subscribed, and for those who didn't subscribe yet, please go through my channel. It has some good content and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And also like my videos and share it to your friends and colleagues. So within a very short period of time, we have reached 2K subscribers and this is a giveaway time. So today I'm giving away a clinic management software. This software will help you put in patient details, manage and schedule your appointments as well as scheduling your follow-ups with your patients. So even if you are single-handedly owning a clinic or you are in partnership with some other doctor, you can use the software at your reception or at your desk where you can enter all the patient details and use the software in your daily practice. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So before getting the software, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and click a screenshot and follow us on Instagram and click a screenshot. Now, mail me these screenshots with the subject Clinic Management Software. The mail ID is given in the description below, that is HomeoCare911. So once these screenshots are received by us, make sure that you wait for 48 hours before receiving the software, because I have plenty of mails every day, so I have to make sure that I reply to my previous mails before mailing you or replying you back. Okay, so today I'm also going to give you a tutorial of how to use this software once you get it. It is a very small software, so it can be used comfortably in any laptop, whether it is old or new or in any PC. We'll start with the tutorial now. So this is the zip file that you will receive. Just go on the zip file and click on extract here. For this particular thing to happen, you need a software called WinRAR. So if you don't have that, please go to my other video where I have given that software away. So take that software and here you have to extract this. Now you can see this folder appearing here called Dental Clinic. Now this is also for a dental clinic. So basically this is a clinic management software for any clinic, not particularly for dental clinics. So here you can see an exe file. Just double click on that file. So here you have to enter your username and password. Obviously you can change it if you want, but this particular username and password you will get in the mail. Here you can see this is the main menu. So before explaining this to you, I'll start with the first icon here. You can see staff. So here you can enter your staff name. So if whoever is the doctor, you can enter their name and whatever username they are going to use, and their address, phone number and everything, fax number, email, password, city, mobile number, even salary. Okay, so here there is a fake name entered over here already. You can save it. Designation doctor. Okay, so here you can see my name and my description is given. Now going to the next icon, that is enter new or change patient information. So here you can enter new information about the patient, first name, last name, registration number, whichever year the patient is coming to you, and doctor, whoever is going to receive the patient, the doctor name, and company or insurance policy if the patient has. And since we are homeopaths, we don't need it, but yes, dental surgeons and other people, other doctors who are running a clinic will need this particular section also, and date of birth of the patient and all these things, and you can click on save. Now since again I have to enter all these details, I'm just going to go through it. Okay, since I'm done, you can see the information will come like this and you hit save, and next time when you want to see this list, it will come as if you choose the phone number, or if you choose the first name or last name or address or city. So if you want to see the particular patients of your city, you can just see that. Then you can see your own patients only. So if there are 2 doctors here, for example, so I want to see only my patients, so you can see only your patients. Or you can sort them by first name or last name, okay, or by date of birth, and you can export this particular list. Now third is profit for selected period. So this is the amount that I had entered in the previous patient. If you would see here, the amount the patient paid was that much, so it will give you this. And here you can choose the doctor and other records. Here you can add a balance sheet, like new balance, how much your expenditure is, the credit and expenditure list. So here it is how you can schedule a new appointment. For example, this is my patient and this is the doctor, and I want to schedule an appointment for 21st from 5 to, let's say, 5:30. Okay, so chair number will be 1 and save. Okay, show appointment from 9 to 29. Okay, so can you see? So even if you have saved an appointment for 2 weeks later, it will show you here that is from 5 to 5:30. Okay, you can even delete the appointment if you want. Then there is a main menu that we had. So in this menu, you can directly see the doctor and appointment times, and the list will be given for that particular day. So if I wanted to see on 9th and I have a schedule, let us schedule an appointment for 9th before going to the main menu. Let's say we'll call this patient on 16th. Okay, 5 to 5:30. Okay, chair number was 7. And suppose we come to the main menu and we choose doctor and 16th. Okay, and I want to see all the appointments from 16th. So appointment time, patient, I want to see all the patients, sort by doctor. Okay, so if I want to see my own, I'll keep it as sort by doctor, or else I'll keep it as sort by patient. So here both the doctors will be seen. Okay, so this is how your appointments will be seen. Now payments for selected period. The next is create new designations. This is where you have to put the designation, and so here you can save the designation. Okay, and you can delete it as well. This is to enter new company or insurance details. This is for all the other clinics. You can just enter the insurance details over here of the patient, of course, and these are to save the reports. Now suppose you have a patient with some particular patient reports. So if there is bill submissions or reports or any claims to be taken, and whatever treatment is given, and whoever has given this treatment, whichever doctor, and the amount paid by the company or insurance policies, all these things you can keep it at hand. So this is again very important for all the other doctors, not much for the homeopath then. And here you have this administration and author and doctor and patient. So the same menu but in a different format. So here you can just go through the appointments and everything. So I believe that this is a very competent software that is very useful in regular day-to-day practice. I use it in my clinic all the time, and this has been very useful for me basically to keep a check on the appointments, on the follow-ups, on what time I have scheduled my appointments. And it is very light. As you have seen, it is 1.6 MB, so it is very light to use. So if you want this software, please follow my instructions and you will get the software in no time in your mail, and you can use it whenever you want. And if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it, and also share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video.